Natalia thinks I should get the pink one, Daddy.
I am your sunshine when you're down. I am that super river flow. I am the memory that you hold on to. I am the psychic that won't leave. Always a trick for you up my sleeve. I am the mirror that you look through, but you see.
Good morning, my early bunch. Today I am taking you guys with me to get my new hair. It's fall, so I'm getting a protective hairstyle, and I decided to do a new wig. But before we go, you guys get to see me style my hair. I am using gel, and here I am trying to just make my hair flatter and tie it together in a bun. Well, an attempt of it. Here, this works to just flatten my hair. And we're ready. Let's go.
Alright guys, Mommy wants some new hair. What hair do you want Mommy to get? You pick. Which one do you like? And Tessera, which one do you like?
Yeah, the red one. This one.
You like this one? Daddy, Tessera thinks I should get this one. What about you, Natalia?
And the pink one.
The pink one! Natalia thinks I should get the pink one, Daddy. Guys, today she decided to wear a hat and not comb her hair.
What?
To get out of combing her hair. Okay? Pretty.
I'll work for you.
The kids are so helpful, trying to help me pick out what I wanted. As you guys know, I love my natural hair, but for a protective hairstyle, I have to tuck in my hair when the season gets wetter.
Now Mommy is wiping her hair.
This one.
Yeah, this is the kind that Mommy likes.
Okay.
I have to get it red, Daddy.
Alright, what about these? Which ones do you guys want? What is it about you getting red hair?
Yellow.
Okay, careful.
The exact color too. Like he hasn't changed his color.
Yellow.
You want me to get yellow?
I see that one.
Here you get to see me put my wig cap on so I can try on different wigs. I wasn't sure when I walked into the store whether I wanted a wig or a weave.
How about this one? Do you like this?
No.
He wants red.
I don't like that.
Not super long.
Okay, we'll try one more and then you tell me which one you like the most, okay?
I don't like that hair.
You don't like it? That's the hair Daddy likes.
I'm not feeling it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
I like
Yeah, I want that one.
red. I like that. I like this one.
You like this red one? Okay. Only because it's red? Gabe, what are your thoughts?
That's a hard pass.
Yeah, I like that. I don't know why, but I'm liking it a lot.
Are you?
I am. Like, I
You're
like it a lot. No?
Because it's something different?
Maybe.
Let me see. It's not bad.
Not bad, but not good.
It's not bad though. I mean, I don't know. I don't know
I
what you normally
like
wear.
Wig, I can just get a weave, make it suit my head.
I'm gonna have to have red. Can I have red?
You want me to have red?
I don't like that one.
You don't like that one?
Because it's not red.
Of course.
I
Oh,
like
no. I love this. I like the red one. I love this.
red.
Yes, do you want one?
You want a wig?
You want one? Here, you pick. Which one do you want?
I want one.
Hmm?
Which one do you want? They're too little.
Which one do you
They're
want?
too little.
Which one do you want?
She's like, I want to try one too.
I want one that
Maybe I just played safe on your weave.
Today's video is inspired by my mother-in-law, my grandmother through marriage, Grandma Barley, who was a hairstylist for many years, and my neighbor. I'm not sure if she wants me to mention her name. They always comment about my hair and how I change it so much just because they're intrigued. So I wanted to show them the process of how I get my hair done. So here you guys get to see the process of braiding my hair. She parts my natural hair, feeds in with an extension, which she braids down a cornrow, and the cornrow is what is coming to help her with weaving in and sewing in my weave. So here it looks painful because it is. I am literally in pain with the side hairs. The rest is not as bad, but just these side hairs are super painful. As you guys can see, when we're done, she settles down my rest of the hair that's sticking out. So when she comes to stitch in my other weave, my hair is all flat. She starts with the closure, and here she's installing the front part of the closure and the side. So when she weaves on the rest of the hair, the closure would have already been intact. We normally glue it down with hair glue or bonding glue. Again guys, it's supposed to be only hair glue. So here she didn't have any, and I said I would do it myself just as long as I had the biggest part done, which was the other. So here you see her finishing off my closure, and then after she's done with that, she starts weaving in the rest of the hair. After the weave has started, you see how she's going line by line and putting everything in such good order. It's so neat, you guys. I can't even explain this process. It's just a work of art. Not everybody can do it, only professionals. It can be dangerous for people who don't know how to do it, but beauty is pain, right? Here she's putting on the weave. As you guys can see, she's very professional. Like I said, everything is coming out so neat and nice. I'm actually very glad that I found her through a mutual friend. So here she's finishing off the rest of my weave, and I'm trying not to smile or hold a smile, but I really do feel happy because usually when someone doesn't know how to do your hair, you can tell, and here I didn't get that vibe at all. All I was excited to was see how my hair turned out, of which I can't wait to show you guys.
Momo, can the Barley Bunch see your hairdo?
Yes.
Are you sure? Alright, ready or not? Oh my goodness.
Hi guys, how do you like my new hair?
Make sure to comment down below.
I like it very much.
Do you?
Yeah.
Very nice, boo boo.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm gonna tie it up today though.
Alright, Barley Bunch. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you have questions, comments, anything, list them down below. Make sure to like, subscribe.
Hit the bell button.
Oh yeah, the bell button. Very important.
So we'll be back with more videos.
Alright, Barley's out!